The term environmental justice, as defined by the Environmental Protection Agency, is the fair treatment and meaningful involvement of all people regardless of race, color, national origin, or income with respect to the development, implementation, and enforcement of environmental laws, regulations, and policies. In 1982, a more specific term was created, environmental racism, which is pollution-based racial discrimination, or more broadly, racial discrimination in environmental policymaking and enforcement of regulations and laws, in addition to targeting communities of color for toxic waste disposal and citing of polluting industries. This new term aimed to address concern ignored by mainstream middle-class white environmentalists. The Atlantic Coast Pipeline is a 600-mile pipeline running from West Virginia to northeast North Carolina. It runs through Virginia, and Dominion Power has drawn up plans to build a compressor station in Buckingham County through a majority-black neighborhood. Compressor stations have the potential to explode from the highly pressurized water and chemicals it holds. Toxic emissions have the potential to affect the community within a 15-mile radius. The station is a noise pollutant and has the potential to be a soil and water pollutant. The nearby community's health, freedom, and mobility are being threatened with the construction of this compressor station. This is an example of environmental racism. Dominion Power is making money at the expense of the mostly black community its pipeline is destroying. Exploitation necessitates oppression. Impoverished populations have less political power to fight back, and their properties and communities are seen as sacrifice zones for big businesses. The remnants of capitalism, pollution, factories, etc., are placed as a burden to those who benefit the least from our capitalist economy.